Did you know that what you eat could be silently wrecking your gut? Many common foods damage the balance of a bacteria in the intestinal barrier, leading to bloating, chronic inflammation, and even systemic illness. Today, we uncover 5 toxic foods that undermine gut health and how to avoid them. Your gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem of trillions of bacteria, yeast, and other microorganisms that aid in the digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. When harmful foods disrupt this balance, beneficial microbes decline and the pathogenic strains flourish, promoting gut permeability, leaky gut, and inflammation. The intestinal lining, an unbroken layer of epithelial cells, act as a barrier to toxins. When compromised, it allows bacterial fragments like liposaccharides translocate into the bloodstream. Think of this barrier as a break wall. Healthy microbes maintain the mother, but toxic foods wash it away, causing cracks. Artificial sweeteners are prevalent in diet sodas, sugar-free gums, and prepackaged snacks, yet they can disrupt gut microbiota balance. The mechanism of action involves non-caloric sweeteners passing through the digestive tract largely unabsorbed. When they alter bacterial gene expression and they reduce beneficial bifidobacteria, leading to glucose intolerance and a low-grade inflammation. Typical safe dosage is 5 to 15 mg per kilogram body weight daily, but even 200 mg of sucralose per daily. One can of diet sodas can shift microbial composition within 2 weeks. Non-nutritive sweeteners induce glucose intolerance by altering gut microbiota. Avoid in individuals with irritable bowel syndrome. Artificial sweeteners can exacerbate bloating and diarrhea. A single can of diet soda daily can measurable shift gut flora within days. Processed meats are rich in nitrates. Nitrates and heme iron are implicated in the gut inflammation and dysbiosis. Heme iron reaches the colon tract, where it catalyzes formation of cytotoxic aldehydes and the faster growth of sulfates, reducing bacteria. Nitrates are also converted to N-nitroso compounds, which disrupts mucosal integrity and promote pro-inflammatory cytokines. Consuming more than 50 grams per day of processed meats, 2 slices of bacon plus 1 sausage link for over 6 weeks significantly alter microbial diversity. Dietary heme induces gut dysbiosis, exacerbating colitis in the murine models. Those with a family history of inflammatory bowel disease or colonic polyps should avoid processed meats entirely due to intensifying mucosal injury. Even 1 serving of bacon daily boosts harmful gut bacteria by up to 20%. Trans fats and oxidized fats in deep-fried foods induce oxidative stress in the gut tissue and disrupts microbial equilibrium. These fats generate reactive oxygen species, ROS, upon digestion. ROS damage epithelial cells, weaken the mucous layer, and favor pro-inflammatory microbes, disrupting mucosal immunity. Consuming more than 2 grams per day of industrial trans fats, roughly 1 small serving of fries, for over 4 weeks significantly reduces tight junction protein expression. Dietary trans fats exacerbate gut inflammation and dysbiosis in the mice. Patients with atherosclerosis or metabolic syndrome should strictly avoid trans fats, as they amplify systemic inflammation via gut-derived endotoxins. 1 order of fries can reduce the beneficial lactobacillus levels by 15% overnight. Ultra-processed snacks, such as packaged chips, cookies, and sweetened beverages, are engineered for hyperpalatability, but often contain emulsifiers, preservatives, and excess sugars. Emulsifiers, like a polysorbate, and it disrupts the mucosal barrier and alter microbial gene expression, increasing bacterial translocation and chronic gut inflammation. Daily intake of more than 25% of our total calories from ultra-processed foods, like a daily soda plus prepackaged snacks, over 8 weeks lead to notable declines in microbial diversity. Emulsifiers in processed foods promotes colitis and metabolic syndrome by altering microbiota. Individuals with a metabolic syndrome should replace these items. The whole foods, otherwise persistent emulsifiers intake perpetuate gut barrier breakdown. Swapping one soda per day for water can restore beneficial microbes by 10% within 3 weeks. Increase prebiotic-rich foods. How to add 1 cup of cooked chickpeas or 1/2 cups of steamed asparagus to meals daily. Supply in inulin-resistant starch. Inulin-type probiotic boosts bifidobacterium growth and reduce gut inflammation. Practice mindful eating. How to eat meals slowly, chewing each bite 20 to 30 times. This enhances digestion and prevents overeating, reduces mucosal strain. Slow eating improves gut hormone response and lower inflammatory markers. Engage in a moderate exercise. How to aim for 30 minutes of brisk walking or cycling at least 5 days per week to promote healthy gut motility and microbiome diversity. Regular moderate exercise increases beneficial short-chain fatty acids producing bacteria. Today, we uncover the 5 common foods that silently damage your gut health and explore evidence-based strategies to protect your microbiome. By eliminating artificial sweeteners, HFCS, processed meats, trans fats, and ultra-processed snacks, are replacing them with fiber-rich whole foods, you can restore gut balance and reduce inflammation. Before making significant dietary changes, consult a qualified healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, like it and subscribe. Check out our related options on gut healing recipes and probiotic supplements.